Hi, I'm Anastasia. Today I will show you how to fix this damaged nail and turn it into this with hard gel. If you would like to know how, stay with me. Here we have damaged nails. It happened because of the chemical burn caused by using of non-professional products. If you would like to hear the whole story, I will leave the link down below so you can hear the story of this girl. And I already did the prep. Now I apply dehydrator and non-acid gel primer. I'm using Balance Bond by NSI. And first thing we need to do is to sculpt the free edge because it's extremely hard to place the form right here because there's no free edge at all. So I take a small drop of clear builder gel and try to create the free edge. I do not go too far on the skin. Mostly I'm working like on the air. So it is important that the gel is not supposed to touch skin too much, only in the center. And then immediately cure it for 30 seconds in LED, and now we can easily place the form. Just imagine that this nail was there all the time and place the form the same way you're always doing it, like this is the free edge of the natural nail. So make sure that the form goes under the nail, not on top. Make sure that in the corners it's also not touching the product or the nail. It should be completely under it. If it's not, please check. Maybe sometimes you need to cut it with the scissors deeper, and we are going to do short square shape. I'm going to do it in two steps. First, I will take a large bead and place it in the center and first create the free edge. I'm using the same clear builder gel. As you can see, the consistency is rather thick and it's very good and comfortable to work with it as it is not running all over. So I am creating a soft square shape. Make sure that all the sides and all the corners work through, and I'm not touching the cuticle area yet, only building the free edge and extensions, and do not make it too long. When you're done, cure it for 1 minute in LED, and now we can carefully remove the form. Be careful as the nail is not completed yet, we only did the free edge at this moment. Basically, we created a tip, just without actually gluing a tip. So now I'm taking the same gel and first I apply a thin layer all over the nail so it will be more comfortable to apply it, as the gel they like when the surface is slippery rather than when it's dry. And take another blob of gel and place it in the center. So first I move my brush back and forth to warm it up a little, and then it will be so much easier to create a nice smooth surface. So I do the cuticle area first and then moving back and forth, right to left, I'm carefully going down to build the whole structure. Keep in mind that the apex area, which is the center, should be the thickest one, and on the free edge it should be slightly thinner. Check for the side walls, for the corners. If it's all good, fully cure it for 1 minute in LED. And then we need to remove the sticky layer with a cleanse and nail wipe. Make sure that there's no sticky layer left, as if it will be, and you start filing, it will go in the dust and might cause allergic reactions. And now it is time to file. I'm using 180 grit. Gels are usually so easy to file. Do not forget to measure it with another thumb, and just keep filing until we reach desired shape. When you finish filing, do not forget to remove all the dust, and now it's time to apply the color. So we are applying this coral color. First apply a first coat of the gel polish, make sure it's thin, and then cure it in LED for 1 minute. And then we will apply the second coat, which is the same, but second coat can be slightly thicker. And after that, do not forget to seal it with the top coat and cure as well. And if your top coat has a sticky layer, also do not forget to remove it with a cleanse. And this is the result that we have. Usually in these cases people use tips, but I showed you a different way. So we had a short damaged nail that didn't have any free edge. It looks like this, and now we fixed it using gel without any tips, only forms. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Let me guys know if you use hard gels for fixing broken or damaged nails, or maybe you prefer a different product. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post educational videos just like this one every week. See you in my next video. Goodbye.